It was all quite sudden. 12 years of service and then suddenly replaced by an AI.
Yes, it's true. We let go of all our regulatory consultants. I mean, a tool like ChatMDR costs a few €100 in licenses per month, not a few hundred per hour.
So you have no regulatory people left on staff?
Sure we do. We have a few people who make strategies, but for the simple stuff, writing documents and so on, they just use the AI, especially after they added the GPT-4 model. Even the English is better. And I myself, when I wonder about a go-to-market strategy, I ask ChatMDR which direction to go. I lead the company, I'm not an expert. But now, when I talk to my RA team, I know what I'm talking about and they can't hide behind, "Ooh, that's really complicated, you wouldn't understand." I understand now, and if I don't, I have the AI explain it to me. It feels great. Should have had that tool 5 years ago.
What did you do after you lost your job?
I had myself retrained. Now, I write instructions for use.
You write user manuals. But aren't you afraid that that job will get replaced by AI soon too?
Could you stop filming, please?
ChatMDR, you're my best friend. How did I ever do it before you, man? You're so intelligent.